Hello friends, my name is Beth Duda and I'm the director of the Suncoast Campaign for grade level reading. You know, beginning kindergarten is a very big step for the whole family. So we want to make sure that you're ready to take that next big step in your education journey. In partnership with the Patterson Foundation, the Community Foundation of Sarasota County, and the Rotary Club of Sarasota Foundation, we have kindergarten readiness bags for every incoming kindergartner in Sarasota County Public Schools. Now, you can get your kindergarten readiness bag when you register for kindergarten, and we encourage all of you to register just as soon as you can. Some of the things you'll find in the bag, we have magnetic, uppercase, and lowercase letters. You can write messages with the letters, but you can also play games with the letters. You could ask your child to sort the letters by all of the letters that are just curves, like C's and S's, or sort them by the letters that have just straight lines, like X's and M's and H's. And then you could ask them to make a pile of letters that have curves and straight lines, letters like a B or a P. You could hold up an uppercase letter and ask your child to find the matching lowercase letter. There are all kinds of great things you can do with these magnetic letters. Also in the bag, you're going to get a scribble pad and some crayons. You'll get 2 sets of flashcards, all kinds of games that you can play with your child and these flashcards to make sure that they know their shapes and their colors and their numbers. You're going to get a book that you can share with your child. It's called Josh the Baby Otter, and it's a wonderful story that helps promote water safety. Also, in the kindergarten readiness bag, you'll find a kindergarten readiness guide. This is full of suggestions of games and activities that you can do to make sure that your child has the skills they'll need to be able to start kindergarten. In addition, you'll find this handy checklist of practical skills every child needs to know to begin kindergarten. Things you might not have thought of, like can they open their own food containers? Or do they know how to button their pants? Or can they put on their own shoes or zip up their own jackets? This will give you a lot of confidence to know that your child indeed is ready to begin. In the bag, you'll also find this alphabet chart, which has a washable surface, so you can play all kinds of games. You can do letters and sounds, like P is for pizza, or M is for mitten. Inside the bag also, you'll find what we call our magic postcard. Thanks to the generosity of the Patterson Foundation, if you fill out this postcard and mail it back to us, we will send you in the mail another age-appropriate book for your child. Remember, reading is the key to succeeding, and you and your child being ready for kindergarten is a very positive step that you can take for that trip to success.